Archway are on a mission to build a more equitable blockchain ecosystem, one that not only rewards network operators and early contributors, but also the developers that build on top of the protocol. We invite you to get acquainted with this model. An active and engaged developer community is the single most important determinant of long-term success for any smart contract platform. Developers are the life force of a network, creating decentralized applications and services that attract new users and generate millions of dollars. As developers build and launch impactful dApps that generate usage on Archway, they earn a proportional share of network fees and rewards. This shared earning model enables dApps to access recurring rewards and participate in the upside of the underlying protocol. For Archway, it tightly aligns the incentives of developers and their dApp user communities with the overall ecosystem. With Archway, dApps can earn both transaction fees and inflationary rewards in exchange for their contributions to the network. This earning model is similar to how validators are rewarded for operating nodes in a typical proof-of-stake chain. By allocating a portion of network-level rewards to dApps, developers and their communities are directly incentivized and gain a true stake in the protocol. Archway allows each dApp developer and their community to configure how the rewards are managed and distributed. dApps can choose to allocate the funds they accrue in whatever way is most beneficial to their ecosystem. For instance, they can redistribute rewards to their governance token holders, fund core development efforts, cover users' gas fees, seed liquidity pools, contribute to a community DAO, open project bounties, and much more. You can get more in-depth on examples of using rewards if you check out the Archway Lightpaper, which can be found at the official archway.io website. Archway is Launchpad to Cosmos. Built on Cosmos, the protocol enables dApps to plug directly into a vast multi-chain ecosystem, reaching as many users and assets as possible. The IBC protocol makes it possible for blockchains to connect to each other. Built on Cosmos, Archway natively integrates IBC so users can frictionlessly exchange assets and data with other Cosmos-enabled chains. Beyond interchain communication between Cosmos-based networks, efforts are underway to connect major chains like Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, and Celo. Integrating with other major Layer 1 networks helps dApp developers extend their reach even further. By connecting with dApps, assets, and users outside of the Cosmos ecosystem, Archway provides a module for developers to subsidize gas on behalf of their users by funding and pulling from a common account. A pool account helps efficiently allocate the organization's resource. Gasless transactions and pool accounts give developers a way to deliver experiences that look and feel like any normal web or mobile application. A key benefit of building on the Archway protocol is the ability for developers to tap directly into protocol funding for their work, without having to rely solely on a business model of their own. Since network fees and rewards are shared with dApp developers, they can earn recurring streams of revenue and use the funds to pay the core team and continuously develop future versions of their dApp. The Archway protocol uses COSM-WASM, WebAssembly, Rust, and Go. Over 40 high-level programming languages support WASM, including C and C++, Python, Go, Rust, Java, and PHP. Archway provides a simple way to deploy contracts to the Cosmos ecosystem. For many developers, continuing to run those contracts on an established chain like Archway is sufficient. However, for those dApps that hit a certain level of traction and require a network that can be tailored to their specific requirements, it makes sense to run their own dedicated chain. This migration is straightforward because COSM-WASM contracts are portable across chains, and the Ignite CLI allows developers to spin up and configure their own independent chain in a matter of minutes. Archway can be seen as a launchpad into Cosmos, with the flexibility for developers to easily migrate to a standalone chain if and when a dApp is ready.